Nailed It. Today I am doing a Shemodern Halloween collaboration. There are 4 of the girls involved: Glitzynailsuk, Girly Nails 66, Nails of Interest, Karina Willet, and myself. I want to start off by thanking Shemodern.com. Tina, you have wonderful products, and we all appreciate you and them. I'm going to be doing a glow-in-the-dark manicure. First on my nails, I have my base coat, First in Line by Sinful. I have a finger paint silkscreen green. I put that on. I already have my nail glue on, just to save some time. I've already did all my fingers except these 2. I'm going to show you now how I did those and continue on to my stamping. Take your glow-in-the-dark powders. A little goes a long way. You do not need a lot. Tap it on and then rub it. Make sure you get your sidewalls so all your area is covered. And then I blow it. And then I take my fan brush, but I'm going to wait and do both nails at the same time. This is really super easy to do. The powders come in a variety of colors. I have purple, pink, and green. I think that's all I have. I take my fan brush, wipe off by the cuticles to sidewall. I get off as much as I possibly can, and then I brush over the nail. Sorry. And I missed an area. So I gotta go back over that. Sorry. Once that is done, I am taking my clear top coat by Wet n Wild to seal this in. And cap the edge of your nail. There. This I do not wipe off. You should always wipe off your brush, but I'm using this top coat strictly for my powders. These do glow in the dark, and I will show you at the end, and it looks really, really super cool. This top coat kind of sinks in to the powder, so it dries pretty quickly, but I still want to give it a couple minutes just because we are going to be stamping on top of it. Sorry. I'm using a Halloween plate from the Born Pretty store. Oh, there's a lot of glare. There we go. Alrighty, we're back. Sorry about that interruption. This is the stamping plate that I'm going to use. It's by the Born Pretty store. It is, on the plate, it's the Celebration BPX-L007. On my thumb, I already have the bones. And we're going to get started. It's going to be random where I put what. I haven't decided yet. I do know I want ghosts. So we're going to get a few of those. Clean off the stamper, the excess that you don't want on your nail. And stamp. It's really super easy. Make sure you clean your stamper off with your lint roller in between every use. And clean your stamping plate. Now I have to have one that says Happy Halloween. So we're going to get that one. Oh, these images pick up really, really well. This is a brand new plate that I just got. Let me show you that now. I want a spider web, but I don't have a nail really big enough for it, but we're still going to do it. My index finger broke, so I have a stubby nubbin. So there's that one. That one turned out really cute. Cleaning your stamper. We got one more nail to do. Girls. You can hear my dogs in the background. I got one more nail to do. What should I do? Let me think here. I know. And there we go. There's my nails. I'll clean my stamper one last time. Over these, I am going to put my no smudge top coat, also by the Burn Pretty store. You just float it across your nail. It does not smudge, does not smear your image. I do have some cleanup to do on these nails, which I will do momentarily. This Manny did turn out really, really cute. I hope you check out the other girls and their videos. There will be in the comments a pinned comment, hopefully with the main link, where you can access all their videos. I'm going to go in and do the cleanup, and then my nails will be ready for top coat. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you're not already subscribed, now is a good time to do so. And please click the like button. Could always use your support. If it wasn't for our viewers, we wouldn't be here. And we do appreciate it. I hope everybody has a great Halloween. And that you are very, very safe. There. Cleanup is done. It is time for my fast drying top coat. And then I'm going to show you how these babies are going to glow. I'm using my Seche Vite. It is a fast drying top coat. And it is my go-to top coat. You can find this at, you can find this at Sally's, or you can get it off the internet. Price runs about the same if you got to pay for shipping. But I think it's worth the money. I'd rather go into Sally's and get it myself, catch it on sale. My stubby nubbin's too short to cap. And I do need me a new bottle top coat. I think I'll put that on my list for Santa for Christmas. I know, I'm not supposed to bring it Christmas yet, too early. My mani is done. This is my Shemodern Halloween mani. Hope you really enjoyed this. This did turn out super, super cute. There's my bones. And there's the rest. I'm going to charge this up under the light now, so you can see my final design. And there is my glow-in-the-dark manicure. And my bones. This should turn out really super cute. Hope everyone's enjoyed this. Thank you. Have a blessed day and a happy Halloween.